Thanks for staying with us, and welcome back to MyCarolina. I'm Amber Freeman.
And I'm Carly Bragg, and thanks for hanging out with us on this Tuesday morning. We are really kicking it off today with a lot of great programs in our area and something that our community can really appreciate.
For sure. We're still basking in all that puppy love.
Yes.
And now we're about to learn about something that it's an industry that continues to grow.
Yeah.
I still don't understand it.
Me either.
But I understand that it's doing a lot of big things.
A lot of good.
So we bring in the experts to tell us how it's being done and why it's so important and all the things. Vets to Drones. It's a program helping our veterans enter the commercial drone flying industry, which is just huge, by providing training and resources necessary in order to be successful.
Which is so exciting. Founder Chris Lewis joins us again. Welcome back to the show, Chris. Thank you so much for being here. And today you brought along some toys. This is awesome.
Absolutely. Yeah, thanks for having me again, of course. So we have a couple of drones here. This is the DJI M210. It was actually donated to us by Unmanned Vehicle Technologies, used for public safety training before it was donated to us, and now we use it to train veterans.
It's huge. That's what, I think both of us were
I had to stand on this side, so I was not at the same height level of it.
Yeah, so a little intimidating for us.
That's why we use this one for training. It's a little big, it's a little intimidating, and then when you use the controls, it's way more intuitive. So we use this one for training to get people started before they go into the more commercial or more modern drones that are used commercially.
Okay.
So you get really comfortable using this big beast.
Okay, I trust you. You know, I never realized that the process of becoming a licensed pilot and learning so much about the drones was so intense and so intensive. So that's why we need people like you. Tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got into this and founded the program.
Absolutely. So I served 7.5 years in the Marine Corps, 2 years in the Army, and the first time I ever touched a drone was in the Marine Corps in Afghanistan in 2011. They handed me a box and said, hey, you have to use this. It turned out to be a drone, RQ-16 Raven. Ended up using it for thermal ISR missions during our convoy operations, and really gained that perspective of how UAS technology can really help you in the field. Since then, I got out of the military 2018, went to NC State, learned a bunch of interesting things in the realm of technology, and then got into the drone industry during 2020 after I graduated. Went out to California, started doing the wildfire mitigation program out there with another buddy of mine from Raleigh, and it's been amazing since then. Started recruiting other veterans. As soon as I got back, I said, hey, I found this incredible opportunity. Got paid pretty well out in California. There are more opportunities coming. It's time to get in. So I started helping people get into their Part 107 license, and then started connecting them with job opportunities as well. And from there, Vets to Drones is born.
Wow.
So we started with about 40 members in the beginning. It's been about 1.5 years now, and we're up to 1,400 enrolled veterans across the U.S.
Gracious.
Wow, when you talk about opportunities growing, you weren't kidding.
Not at all. No, it's
It
very
just continues
exciting.
to grow.
It's very exciting industry, of course. It's growing rapidly. There are endless opportunities coming up. But it's also a perfect fit for our veterans.
Yeah. Well, explain that a little bit. How is this working for the veterans and getting them acclimated to drone life?
Absolutely. So,
Drone life.
for veterans in particular, it fits like a glove, right? You're going out in the field, you're doing these interesting, almost an adventure every day kind of workflow. You have sensitive equipment you have to take care of, which is very familiar to most of us.
Responsibility.
Absolutely. And then you need to be able to read a map and coordinate with other teams so you can operate in a given area, which is something we've done in the past as well. So we have veterans working in Los Angeles right now. We just had a project in Pennsylvania with, I think, 6 veterans up there. We have another hiring push coming up in California and in the New England area as well. And yeah, things are exciting.
That's awesome.
I think the cool thing about the drone industry is it can go all the way to high-tech missions like you're talking about that may be perfect for so many people that are coming out of the military, all the way to now they're delivering pizzas.
Yes.
So there's a spot for everyone.
Absolutely, yeah. There's a wide range of opportunities in the drone industry, whether you want to get out and just have fun. A lot of veterans that come to our program just want to get out and with other veterans and fly and just have a good time, make some cool pictures and videos. But of course, like you're saying, the drone delivery is not going anywhere. It's only growing.
It's only starting. Well, Chris,
Absolutely.
This is exciting. I know there's so much opportunity with this for so many people out there, including our veterans. Where do we need to go for more information to learn more about you, the cause, the mission, all of that?
Perfect. So just go to vetstodrones.org and you can find out all about our missions. If you're a veteran, you can sign up on the website. And if you're a patron, if you want to give to our program so we can help other veterans not only get into the workforce, but to do our missions as well. So K through 12 education, natural disaster response, reforestation, and recreational therapy for veterans as well. Go onto our website and you can help us out.
Perfect. Thank you so much for all you do, especially for our community and veterans. We appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thank you.
We'll be right back. Great job.